Welcome to this video on mastering Palantir Foundry for data engineering careers. Discover how this powerful platform can help you manage enterprise data effectively. Why choose Palantir Foundry? It offers a unified, secure environment that helps organizations centralize their data from multiple sources. With scalable architecture and real-time analytics, it supports critical industries like finance and healthcare. Key features of the platform include AI-powered data integration. This helps connect and clean data, enabling you to build efficient pipelines and generate actionable insights for faster business decisions. While mastering the platform comes with challenges due to its advanced features and complex integration requirements, hands-on practice with real-world projects is the most effective way to build the necessary expertise. There are many career paths available for those skilled in Palantir Foundry. Roles such as data engineer or Foundry developer focus on building scalable applications and maintaining the data pipelines that drive enterprise insights. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website or reach out to us using the contact details provided.